New information has surfaced regarding a controversial program known as the Premium for Presidential Property, designed to artificially increase the net worth of former President Donald Trump. This surprising revelation sheds light on potential methods that individuals might have considered in order to enhance the financial status of the former president. These disclosures stimulate discussions surrounding transparency and ethical considerations in the financial affairs of prominent individuals. The court hearing, as part of an ongoing investigation into Trump's financial transactions, provided a glimpse into the extent to which some individuals may have gone to bolster the former president's perceived wealth. On Saturday, October 14, 2023, the scheme was uncovered as part of a probe into Trump's financial records, which have long been the focus of scrutiny and fascination. The court documents reveal the existence of the Premium for Presidential Property Plan, which seems to involve intentionally inflating the value of properties associated with Donald Trump during his time as president. The valuation of Trump's real estate holdings has always been a subject of dispute, with varying opinions on their worth. This recent revelation raises doubts about the accuracy of these valuations. During the court hearing, a whistleblower claimed to have knowledge of discussions about the scheme. According to the individual, the plan aimed to artificially increase the values of Trump's properties, particularly those with historical significance to his presidency, such as Trump Tower and Mar-a-Lago. This development raises concerns about the legality and ethical implications of such a scheme. It is crucial to acknowledge that inflating property values, particularly for the purpose of financial gain, can carry serious legal ramifications, such as potential charges of fraud and tax evasion. At present, the individuals involved in this alleged scheme and whether Donald Trump himself possessed any knowledge or involvement in it remains uncertain. Trump's legal team has strongly denied any wrongdoing on his part, dismissing the allegations as unfounded. The Premium for Presidential Property scheme highlights the significance of transparency and accountability when it comes to public figures and their financial transactions. The public should be fully informed about the actual value of the assets owned by those in high positions, and any efforts to manipulate these valuations can have wide-ranging consequences. Legal experts indicate that if any wrongdoing is proven, it could result in both criminal and civil penalties for the perpetrators. The potential consequences of such a scheme have the potential to damage the reputation of those involved and raise additional concerns about the ethical standards of individuals close to the former president. As the investigation progresses, the public eagerly anticipates further disclosures regarding the Premium for Presidential Property scheme and its potential ramifications for Donald Trump's financial and legal future. This case serves as a strong reminder of the significance of transparent financial practices and accountability for individuals in positions of authority. It also underscores the difficulties in uncovering such schemes and guaranteeing that justice is served when they come to light. The courtroom proceedings are expected to continue, shedding more light on the specifics of the scheme, its participants, and the impact it has had on Trump's net worth. The unfolding story is being closely watched by the American public and the world. Former President Donald Trump has taken to his personal social media platform, Truth Social, to defend himself against the ongoing legal inquiries from New York Attorney General Letitia James. He claims that a trophy from Deutsche Bank serves as evidence of his innocence. In a defiant manner, Trump proudly showcased a trophy given to him by Deutsche Bank, honoring his achievement in securing a substantial loan of $170 million in 2014. The trophy prominently features an engraving of the old post office in Washington, a property that Trump bought and transformed into a hotel under the name Trump Old Post Office LLC. The engraving displays the loan amount and date, serving as a testament to his financial prowess, as he described how he thought of this specific loan as the perfect loan. Trump's self-adoration soared to new heights. The former president said that the top loan officers and legal brains of Deutsche Bank were thrilled to work with him. Trump emphasized that he never skipped a payment, never had a notice of default, and even went so far as to pay interest in advance if it was due on a weekend, guaranteeing that his loan was repaid well ahead of time. However, the former president's gloating defense plan creates significant issues. Can one be cleared of legal misconduct by having a trophy from a bank and no financial default? When discussing intricate financial transactions and investigations, Trump's claim that there were only happy bankers appears unduly basic. Trump's central claim is that no one was hurt as a result of his conduct, hence there are no victims. However, the judicial system does not rely entirely on actual victims to file lawsuits. It takes into account the rule of law, which is applicable to everyone regardless of power or wealth. Trump's insistence that the law against him is a statute that was never used for this before does not necessarily make it invalidate its relevance in his situation. Laws change and adapt as a result of new problems and situations. The legal system and pertinent authorities will decide whether the applicable legislation apply to the former president's acts. Donald Trump is currently the subject of extensive and complicated legal investigation. While a trophy from Deutsche Bank provides evidence of his business operations, it does not always absolve him of all legal culpability. In the end, the former president's defense falls short and emphasizes the significance of exhaustive and unbiased legal processes to ascertain the truth. No matter how gleaming, the trophy cannot serve as a stand-in for a thorough and impartial examination of the accusations made against him. As he described how he thought of this specific loan as the perfect loan, Trump's self-adoration soared to new heights.